Hi guys, this is our French class, okay? And in this video, we're going to tell you how to wish in French language, wishing methods in French language, spoken class. So let's start. Commençons. Hi, salut, hi, salut, hi. How to say salut, hi, salut, hi, or bonjour. Bonjour. How are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you doing? That means allez-vous. How are you doing? Allez-vous means how are you doing? Finally, how are you? Comment allez-vous? That person B will respond, I am fine. Ça va bien. Thank you. And you? Merci. Thank you means merci. And means a, you, toi. And you, a toi. Now person A is saying, I am also fine. No mention please. When someone is saying thank you, so you will say no mention please. That's je suis means I am. Also aussi. Je suis aussi fine. Bien. I'm also fine. Finally it will be je suis aussi bien. No mention please. S'il vous plaît. No mention please. Now person A as well saying nice to meet you. Enchanté. Guys, when there is acute accent at you will be read. So it will be read like enchanté. If there would no acute accent above you, so it could be read like enchant. But because of acute accent, it is being read like enchanté. Only I too, je suis aussi. Good morning, bonjour. Good afternoon, bonjour. Good evening, bonsoir. Here person B will also say good morning in response to good morning. Bonjour. Good afternoon, bonjour. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night. Here person is saying good night, bonne nuit. When there is a good evening, bon, and when there is a female, this bon, it's a male. It's a male adjective. Bon, it's a female adjective. So when female, bon, when male, bon. So good night, bonne nuit. Respond of good night, bonne nuit. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night, bonne nuit. Good night, bonne nuit. Have a nice day, bonne journée. Zug is male and journée female. That's why bonne journée. Thank you, Maxi. I am sorry. When someone is saying I am sorry, je suis désolé. Then person B will say it's okay. C'est bon. Excuse me, pardon. Yes, please. We play. Pardon me, pardon. Bye-bye, goodbye. When you say bye-bye or goodbye, see you, it will be au revoir. Bye-bye, see you, au revoir. When you say bye, see you tomorrow, it will be à demain. bye, see you tomorrow. Adima. Here, how to express time when you say good morning, and good evening. When will you say good evening? 5 to an hour. You say good evening. When say good night, when meeting time, like you are coming to the class at 7 o'clock, so you will say good evening, bonsoir. Okay, bonsoir. And when are going from the class at 8 o'clock, okay, in at night, so you say good night, bonne nuit, bonne nuit. So it will be bonne nuit. So meeting time, good evening, and separating time, when you're going to separate from your teacher, from your colleagues, from your boss, so you say good night, bonne nuit. So guys, that much in this video in our wishing methods in our spoken classes for French language. I hope you will like this video, because we try our best to give you the whole information in this video regarding wishing methods in French language. Guys, subscribe our YouTube channel Interactive Language Classes, like it, share it, and do comment on our comment box, so that we could make more videos according to your demands. Thank you.